In this session, we are going to see about the President of India and the list of Presidents of India. The President of India is designated as the first citizen of India. He is the head of the executive, legislature, and judiciary of the country. He is also the supreme command of the defense forces. The Prime Minister, central ministers, governors of the states, Chief Justice, Chief Election Commissioner, etc. are appointed by the President. Eligibility for the election as President. The presidential candidate must be a citizen of India, have completed the age of 35 years, be qualified for elections as a member of the Lok Sabha, not hold any office of profit under the union or any state government or any local or other authority. The President is indirectly elected by an electoral college consisting of elected members of both houses of parliament, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, the elected members of the legislative assemblies of all the states, and the elected members of the union territories. The oath of the President is administered by the Chief Justice of India. President shall hold office for a term of 5 years. President of India officially resides in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The current President of India is Sri Ramnath Kovind and he is the 14th President of India. Now we will see the former Presidents of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, 1884 to 1963, from Bihar, is an Indian politician, lawyer, and journalist who was the first President of the Republic of India from 26 January 1950 to 13th May 1962. He was unanimously elected President in 1950 and after the first general election in 1952. And in 1957 he was elected to the third term as President. Rajendra Prasad was honoured with the India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 1888 to 1975, from Tamil Nadu, is a scholar and statesman who was the second President of India from 1962 to 1967. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962. Since 1962, his birthday has been celebrated in India as Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. Dr. Radhakrishnan received the Bharat Ratna Award in 1954. Dr. Zakir Hussain, 1897 to 1969, from Hyderabad, was an Indian economist and politician who was the third President of India in 1967 and served until his death in 1969. He was elected Vice President of India in 1962. He was the Governor of Bihar from 1957 to 1962. He was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1954 and Bharat Ratna in 1963. Sri Varahagiri Venkatagiri, 1894 to 1980, from Birampur, Odisha, is a statesman and was the fourth President of India in 1969 to 1974. In 1967, he was elected Vice President of India. During his tenure as President, Giri gave his assent to two revolutionary documents, the Simla Agreement, a peace treaty signed between India and Pakistan, and the Bank Nationalization Bill of 1969. He received the Bharat Ratna in 1975 for his contribution in the area of public affairs. Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, 1905 to 1977, from Old Delhi, was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the fifth President of India from 1974 and served until his death in 1977. He served as the President of India during the time of emergency in 1975. Sri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, 1913 to 1996 from Andhra Pradesh, Indian politician who was the sixth President of India from 1977 to 1982. Sanjeeva Reddy became its first Chief Minister for Andhra Pradesh. He was also Speaker of the Lok Sabha from 1967 to 1969. Gyani Zail Singh, 1916 to 1997. His original name is Gyanail Singh from Punjab, Indian politician who was the seventh President of India from 1982 to 1987. He pursued traditional studies in Sikh holy books and earned the title Gyani, which means learned man, for his scholarly mastery of the scriptures. He was also Chief Minister of Punjab from 1972 to 1977. Sri R. Venkataraman, 1910 to 2009 from Tamil Nadu, was an Indian lawyer, politician who was the 8th President of India from 1987 to 1992. In 1987, he was elected as the 7th Vice President of India. Venkataraman also helped to draft the Indian Constitution. As the President, he was worked with 4 Prime Ministers during his tenure, namely Rajiv Gandhi, V.P. Singh, Chandrasekhar and P.V. Narasimha Rao. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, 1918 to 1999 from Madhya Pradesh, Indian lawyer and politician who was the 9th President of India from 1992 to 1997. In 1987, he was elected as the 8th Vice President of India. He was the Chief Minister of Bhopal State in 1952 to 1956. Sharma was appointed as Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Maharashtra. Sri K. R. Narayanan, 1920 to 2005 from Kerala, Indian politician and diplomat, who was the 10th President of India from 1997 to 2002. His tenures as Indian ambassador to China, the first ambassador since the 1962 Sino-Indian War, and to the United States proved to be of great importance to India's foreign policy. Relations with these countries had been strained and his diplomatic work led to better understanding between India and these countries. As President, he ordered the dissolution of the Lok Sabha twice. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 1931 to 2015 from Tamil Nadu, Indian scientist who was the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Kalam was affectionately known as the People's President. As a scientist, he played a leading role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons programs. He was project director of the SLV-3, India's first indigenously designed and produced satellite launch vehicle. In his directorial, Rohini 1 satellites, Agni and Prithvi missiles were successfully launched. He received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 1990 and the Bharat Ratna Award in 1997. Srimati Pratibha Devi Singh Patil, birth 1934 from Maharashtra, Indian lawyer and politician who was the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. She was the first woman President of India. She has served as Governor of Rajasthan. Sri Pranab Mukherjee, birth 1935 from West Bengal, Indian politician who was the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. Mukherjee is the only president who served all the major portfolios at the central in foreign, defense, commerce and finance at different times in his political career. Mukherjee became the India's youngest finance minister in 1982 at the age of 47. Pranab Mukherjee received the Bharat Ratna Award in 2019. Current President of India Ramnath Kovind, birth 1945, from Uttar Pradesh, is the current and 14th President of India. Kovind assumed office on 25th July 2017 after winning the 2017 presidential election. A lawyer by profession, Ramnath Kovind practiced in the Delhi High Court and Supreme Court of India till 1993. From 2015 to 2017, Ramnath Kovind was the governor of Bihar.